Honey! Honey! Come and eat, the food is ready. Honey!
Obim! Tomato juice! How did you know I'm hungry, sir? My wife money to cook. Yeah, my wife see money. Women get money. Oh. Hey, hey.
I go buy my money, Make them call me
Wada. Thank you. And I bless this food. As if it will nourish us. This food, it will nourish our body.
Amen.
Bless us as we eat it.
Amen.
This man!
You,
Let me go and get toothpick for you and serve
Oh,
it.
don't worry yourself.
Hey.
What is toothpick? When I have finger. If I put it like do.
Hey, you're very funny.
Hey.
Yes? Who is America? No be small North Korea, they knock America, yeah? Knock America.
What is the meaning of this now?
This thing now that you see, that's what men like you deserve.
I don't understand.
We
meaning
have
of,
to
what's
rise
the meaning
up.
of that?
We have to know who we
serve
are.
me empty plate. What kind of
Man
rubbish
knows
is that now?
yourself. You don't know yourself.
Who is this man in the first place?
You remind the way me and you used to joke in this house.
Truly, God is great, and there is a way He does His own thing.
Now I know the reason.
Photo. No be juju be that.
No.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Thank you very much for watching that funny episode of School 2 Comedy. Please like our video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Please subscribe, share, like, please.
Comment. If there's anything you want us to do, just comment.